Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Buick Enclave oil change light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the info button, which is typically found on your dashboard or steering wheel. Press this info button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options on your instrument panel until you find the oil life reading. Once you see oil life remaining displayed, you're on the right track. Now, press and hold the Set/CLR button, sometimes marked with a check mark, for a few seconds. You might hear 3 chimes as the system processes the reset. Keep holding until the display changes, indicating the oil life has been reset to 100%. After the oil life display shows 100%, you can release the Set/CLR button. To finalize the process and confirm the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, restart the engine. The Change Engine Oil Soon message or oil change light should now be off, confirming a successful reset of your Buick Enclave's oil life monitor. Remember, for some Buick Enclave models, an alternative method involves turning the ignition to the on position and then quickly pressing the accelerator pedal 3 times. This can also reset the oil life monitor. Always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate instructions specific to your vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.